Just want to give a quick shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate the support and helping me grow the channel, guys. In this video, we'll be looking at the Akash 2.0 proposal. We'll take a look at the Akash chart, the price, where it could maybe retrace to before the next breakout, and we'll go over the Akash tokenomics and what this means for the Akash growth and the Akash network. So basically, guys, if we look at their Twitter, they recently said the USDC settlement is coming and it's already up on the testnet. And what this means is people deploying on the Akash network can now use USDC settlements. And this is important because, as you guys know, to use the Akash network, you need the token. But this can be a problem if a workload like a website needs to run for a long time, because Akash prices could differ significantly over its duration, leaving either the tenant or the provider paying too much or too little. So with the price being swinging like this, it isn't really a good idea. But with the USDC coming in as settlement, it makes sense. And they also are talking about a burn. And now a burn benefits non-stakers just as much, because it gives those people just holding incentive to hold. Because guys, as circulating supply goes down because of the burn and demand goes up, this is what happens. So it kind of makes sense if we are going to be expecting a continuation in the price. And with the amount of bonded tokens and the total supply, when the circulating supply comes down but more and more continues to be bonded and burned, this is going to drive price up. And it's important to remember, guys, this move isn't just because of one event. It's not just one hype whale or something like that. It's a concoction of different bullish and macro things coming into play. So my conclusion here is more people are wanting to use the network. And with Akash 2.0 on the horizon, as we know, burning of Akash will begin, and this normally makes price go up. So if we combine all of this into one, it makes sense for the valuation of Akash to go up. And if you guys remember, not that long ago, the 24-hour trading volume was around 1 million. It's now at 7 million. So I mean, there's a lot of people coming to the Akash network. So now let's take a look at the chart. Let's have a look at the price. What are we looking at here? So it's going to be a bit hard to get a pullback level, because I'm not too sure if this wick is going to be taken out in the next 2 hours for the next daily candle close. So I'll do my best here, but what I normally would be looking at, guys, is a Fibonacci 618, and basically we would put it from the low to the high, and a 618 is going to be, so 618 would be around 73 cents. Now this is an important level because this would be a textbook SNR flip. So what that means is a recent resistance is looking to now become a support. That's if we ever get down to test 70 cents again. You know, with the amount of demand coming in, guys, this could be just getting ready to test $1.50 before we get that big pullback. And that wouldn't be surprising at all. But if we zoom out and we look at the really higher time frames here, you know, where we could be seeing all-time high by next year. And it wouldn't be that crazy, guys, because to get to the $4 and the $6 level, you know, Akash would be around 800 million to a 1 billion market cap. So that isn't that far-fetched when we look at the total 3, which means altcoins. And what does the total 3 mean? It basically is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum and telling us if the altcoins are getting ready to run. And guys, this is a bullish divergence on the total 3 market cap. You know, the stochastic has got a full reset. It is starting to curve up, but we have not really seen a breakout out of this channel. So to me, this is a bull flag, and this is bullish consolidation. So if we were to see Akash go and test, say, $1.50, right, for the next breakout, it kind of would make sense, because the total 3, in my opinion, is setting up for a move up. So for Akash to get to new all-time highs, we would need a $1 billion market cap, and in the past week we've put on 100 million in valuation on the market cap. So it is possible, guys, but it takes time. And like I said, with the new burn coming into place, with this new Akash 2.0 proposal, it doesn't seem too far-fetched to see a new all-time high in Akash by next year. But we'll take it down a notch here and we'll look at the 4-hour chart and we'll see what it is saying. On the 4-hour chart, guys, this just looks incredibly bullish. Like, you would normally see a retrace by this time, but it still has not come down, and it does look like we are most likely going to break out above $1 in the next day or two. So if we were looking for a pullback, guys, that is my level of where I would want to get into Akash if I'm not into Akash, but we may not get 70 cents again. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Keep an eye on the total crypto market cap, because this is basically telling us bullish consolidation is happening and a breakout is coming. So that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next video, peace.